Since school started, we've been having some busy days, so I've been finding quick, easy meals like sandwiches and different things to still have a savory meal and something hearty for the kids. Today, we're going to be making some pita cheese steak pockets. So we have bell peppers, pita bread, onion, cream cheese, and we have some shaved beef from Aldi's. I love it because it's real beef, not that steak and stuff. Provolone cheese and some cheddar. I won't be using all of the provolone or the cheddar or the cream cheese. And olive oil for coating your pan. We got garlic, onion powder, Himalayan pink salt, and we have some pepper. That is all you're going to need to get this started. So we're going to head over to the stove and put our pan on the stove, and we're going to let that heat up a little bit on medium heat. We're going to place some olive oil inside of there and let that get hot, and then move to the next step. So to not make this video so long, I pre-chopped my onions and my peppers, and I'm just going to throw them into the olive oil so we can saute them and get them soft. So here I'm just going to coat them with the olive oil, let them sit for a little bit as I go and rinse off my shaved beef and then start to season it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of all of the seasoning, starting with onion powder, garlic powder, and guys, you can put what you feel you will like inside of it to taste. That's basically what I'm doing. So, yep. Oh, the other one I believe was Himalayan salt. The second one was Himalayan salt, so, and black pepper. So it was onion powder, Himalayan salt, garlic, and then black pepper. And this is true pieces of steak that's been shaved very thin. That's why I love it. I love it, love it. So now I'm just going to add that into the onions and peppers. Very simple, guys. Nothing major, something quick to cook. And like I said, when the kids start back at school, it's less time and you still want to get them a nice good meal. And these are different ways that you can do that. And this is something that if you don't eat it all, you can actually reheat it as well in the oven or the microwave and just stuff it on some bread or stuff it in a pita pocket like we're doing, or on a bun. So now that that is all done, the next step is so simple, guys. You take your cream cheese, which is about a quarter of a block of cream cheese, and then I have about a half a cup of shredded cheddar. I like to mix different cheeses in my steak sandwiches, and this is just a basic steak sandwich. I usually do toast my bread, put mayo on my bread when I do it, and put like a 57 sauce mixture in it, just like a lot of different things. But we're just doing a basic pita pocket cheesy steak sandwich, and so I'm just adding some provolone on top, and I'm going to add about 4 to 5 slices of that. However much cheese you want, you add that. I felt like it was going to be dry, and my silly self added like a couple tablespoons of water. Why did I do that? But it didn't matter. It still came out really good. So then I just threw another piece of provolone on top. Now, you guys seen me do a haul from the bread outlet, and that's where I got these pitas from. These pitas were very soft, but for some reason, guys, some strange reason, when I was cutting them open to open the pockets, I was having so much trouble. So this is going to be some pita pocket snafus. Some of them came out right. Some of them were ripping. Some of them were breaking. All this crazy stuff. But we still ate them. We still ate them. I was tired. This was kind of late. We had a game, my daughter's game this night, and it was a late night for us. So I was trying to get this food done. When I say these pita pockets were giving your girl a run for her money, I literally broke so many of them, but it's okay, because you know I don't waste anything. I will make either some cinnamon pita chips or some garlic pita chips, and guess what? I will do a video for you guys so you can see how to make those, and you can use the garlic ones to eat with your homemade hummus, which is so freaking easy to make. But yeah, I literally gave up on the freaking pita pockets. I asked my husband to open them. He just a little bit more patient with stuff like that, because once they kept breaking, I was like, no, I'm done. So anywho, the cream cheese has melted and all the other cheese has melted, and all I'm gonna do is mix this up very, very well. And you guys can see the extra liquid in there that I put in there that I really shouldn't have. But anywho, it didn't make a real big difference. And they loved the mess out of it. They was like, Mommy, oh my gosh, I like it in the pita pocket better. I mean, the way, I don't know, it just seems like something different. Because I usually make them on hoagie rolls or on hamburger buns or something like that. But they really love it in the pita pocket. And I usually toast the bread, we put mayo on it, all that fancy stuff. And like I said, I don't know if I said it before, I usually put mushrooms and all that good stuff in our things, but we was like, nope, we're gonna use what we got and get it done. So here I'm just stuffing one of the pockets to get these sandwiches created so we can grub. And look at it, is it just spilling stuff. I was tired, guys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I was not editing that out. I was tired, and we got it up though, as you can see. But these are so freaking amazing, and I'm just gonna kind of speed through this so you guys can see what they look like, because there's no need to continue watching me stuff them. So hold on, guys. So here they are. Oh my gosh, these are so good. If you try it, let me know in the comments below how they turned out for you. These things are amazing. I promise you, your family will love these. Make sure you share the video, thumbs up the video, and subscribe if you haven't. Later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media. But before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.